Just bought a new Mustang? Looking for a bold new way to break some necks at the next car show, then busting a badass drift into the center divider? Morimoto XB LED headlights. They are the answer. The design of the Morimoto XB LED headlights for the new Mustang was inspired by the OEM headlights, but look again and you'll notice a few features that set them apart in a good way. The full C-shaped LED daytime running light is stupid bright and complements the integrated tri-bars appropriately. All interior lighting is powered by Osram 5K LEDs with proper optics within, making them easily visible during the day. That daytime running light will also dim down when the parking lights or low beams are on for compliance reasons. Mustang XBs come standard with a groundbreaking bi-LED projector system that looks unlike anything else in the world. Developed especially for these headlights, it's got a hybrid parabolic and rectangular projector lens that produces a fantastic beam pattern that's wide, bright, and packs a powerful high beam too. Look at them and you'll know they mean business. These are not cheap aftermarket headlights that simply look cool but compromise on compliance. The Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 18 to 21 Mustang meet and exceed all SAE and DOT standards when aimed properly, which is pretty easy to do with the integrated aiming adjuster on the back of the light. As for wiring, Morimoto's LED headlights are designed and work on your new Mustang without any modifications. No error codes, no flickering, no hyper flashing, no nonsense. Just plug and play goodness. Alright guys, if you've got a new Mustang and you've already put new wheels on it, a louder exhaust, you're looking for the next modification to set your Mustang apart at the next car show? Look no further. The XB LED headlights from Morimoto are freaking badass. I love them, you're gonna love them too. So call now and get your set.